So hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Hello Helper, and friend, today we are going to see how to use word count in Google Doc and what is the importance of word count. So friend, here we are going to explain you each and everything in our this tutorial, so you will learn very neat things. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading daily this type of new tutorials on our channel, so you will get notified our new videos. So friend, what we will do, first of all, open googledocs.com into your browser. So friend, here you can see this is the URL. You can simply type google.com/docs. So what happened, this page will open of your Google Docs. You must log in with your Gmail account with this page, so you will see this dashboard of Google Docs. Okay, so friend, this is my sample document, and here I want to see how many words we have added into this document. Okay, so what we will do, simply you can click on this format tools menu which is available on the top, and here you can see the second option, word count. So when you click here, then you can see here, you can see the pages are 2 pages available and words are 144 words, and characters you can see 971, and here you can see characters excluding spaces, then you have 842 characters are available into this Word document. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can simply find out word count into your Google Docs. And friend, this is the simple way. You can select this one, or you can simply type, or you can simply use shortcut like Ctrl+Shift+C, and you will get this pop-up box word count. So this is the shortcut way to you can easily find out word counts in your Google Docs. You can use Ctrl+Shift+C, then this pop-up will open and you can get the complete information about pages, words, characters, and without spacing, characters are into your Word document. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can simply check word counts into your Google Doc. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, also you can mention what things you like into this tutorial, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.